If you're experiencing crashes while trying to play FIFA 24, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for FIFA 24. Compare your hardware specifications with the game's requirements to identify any discrepancies. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Installing updated drivers can resolve compatibility issues that may cause the game to crash. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Origin, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Adjust game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Reducing resolution, texture quality, and other visual effects can help improve performance and stability, potentially preventing crashes. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that consume a lot of system resources can interfere with the game's performance, leading to crashes. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the crashing issue and enjoy playing FIFA 24 without interruptions. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.